Let the low end take control. Cruising past the neon lights under a midnight sky. The subwoofers are breathing as the matrix passes by. We carry the ancient roots inside a digital frame, igniting the vehicle's engine with the conscious steady flame. Feel the pressure building up inside the stereo door. Get ready for the vibration hitting straight through the floor. This is the Bass Boosted Reggae for the late night drive. Deep calm music keeping the conscious mind alive. Rasta Bass vibrations moving straight through the dark, leaving on the asphalt a permanent spiritual spark. No time for the delay. We navigate the system while the heavy sub bass plays. The lyrics are a message guiding us through the cold. A modern dubwise legacy that never will grow old. Let the bass fly, do the talking amid the dashboard light. Everything is perfectly clear in the middle of the night. This is the Bass Boosted Reggae for the late night drive. Deep car music keeping the conscious mind alive. Rasta Bass vibrations moving straight through the dark, leaving on the asphalt a permanent spiritual spark. Yeah, Rasta be a station. Turn the volume up till the dashboard glows. The speedometer is climbing, but my mind is at complete rest. Chasing after freedom over every mountain crest. With the heavy roots energy blasting through the stereo grill. We feel the ancient culture vibrating, standing still. The headlights are cutting through the misty valley here. A midnight cruise taking us away from worldly care. Yeah. La, seal the doors. Let the pressure grow. Tonight we let the subwoofer heal the soul. The dashboard lights are glowing blue against the quiet dark. We're navigating through the streets, leaving the spiritual spark. The world outside is sleeping, but the conscious mind wakes up, drinking deep from the vibration of this heavy rhythm cup. Get ready for the wave, feel the rear view mirror shake. This is the conscious meditation that we make. Love deep, calm music moving through your spine. Rasta Bass session keeping everything aligned. Bass boosted therapy underneath the stars, healing the nation from the comfort of our cars. Love deep, calm music. Love deep, calm music. There's a power in the frequency that words can never touch. A medicine for people who are thinking way too much. So let the speakers vibrate to the heavy sound, while the conscious vibrations keep our spirits unbound. Yeah, let it shake the system. Let it clear the air. Love deep, calm music moving through your spine. Rasta Bass session keeping everything aligned. Bass boosted therapy underneath the stars, healing the nation from the comfort of our cars. Love deep, calm music. Love deep, calm music. Keeping everything aligned. Bass boosted therapy underneath the stars, healing the nation from the comfort of our cars. That volume 1, stop therapy. Conscious vibe, stay true. Start digital smoke in the air. The amplifier is loaded. Rasta Bass Vol 1. Step into the low end domain. Cruising through the shadows where the city secrets lie. Underneath the coverage of a cloudy midnight sky, the subwoofer is breathing like a monster in the dark, igniting the consciousness with an electronic spark. Can you feel the windshield shaking from the low frequency? This is the modern culture mix designed to set you free. Yep, bass boosted reggae, moving through the car zone. Deep car music from an electronic throne. Rasta Bass session, keeping all the conscious vibes awake. Testing out the speakers till the heavy foundation shake. We see the road ahead so clear, protected by the frequencies that eliminate the fear. The baseline is a shield against the matrix and its traps, holding down the culture while the electronic timeline lapses. Let the system breathe. Let the low end take the wheel. Let the system breathe. Let the low end take the wheel. Let bass boosted reggae, moving through the car zone. Deep car music from an electronic throne. Rasta Bass session, keeping all the conscious vibes awake. Testing out the speakers till the heavy foundation shake. Driving to the light, night ride complete. Turn the bass up, let the road open wide. Positive minds only on this night ride. Leaving all the arguments, leaving all the greed. Fueling up the vehicle with exactly what we need. The radio is blasting out our heavy Rasta strain, washing all the tension and the temporary pain. We're cruising through the evening, the energy is high. We lift our positive intention straight up to the sky. Deep car music making everybody move. Locked inside a heavy groove. Bass boosted reggae, setting all the spirits free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. blessings on the road. Go I send him to the rhythm. Rasta Bass Volume 1. Let the low end ground your spirit. The asphalt stretches out into the vast and open night, guided by the dashboard glow and steady high beam light. We listen to the frequency that sets the captives free. A heavy sound system, therapeutic melody. No confusion can enter this moving space as we settle deep into the rhythm's warm embrace. This is the bass boosted roots for the conscious mind. Deep calm music, leaving the heavy world behind. Rasta Bass ascension, floating through the dark, igniting every soul with a divine cosmic spark. We trace the line of heritage that cannot be erased, a timeless vibration that can never be replaced. So let the subwoofers balance out the pressure in your chest and give the heavy overworking intellect a rest. Listen to the silence inside the lowest sound, where the positive vibrations are always found. This is the bass boosted roots for the conscious mind. Deep calm music, leaving the heavy world behind. Rasta Bass ascension, floating through the dark, igniting every soul with a divine cosmic spark. Cosmic spark. Rasta Bass Vol 1 complete. Safe travels on the road. Blessed love. conscious, steady flame. Feel the pressure building up inside the stereo door. Get ready for the vibration hitting straight through the floor. This is the bass boosted reggae for the late night drive. Deep calm music keeping the conscious mind alive. Rasta Bass vibrations moving straight through the dark, leaving on the asphalt a permanent spiritual spark. No time for the limitations, no time for the delay. We navigate the system while the heavy sub bass plays. The lyrics are a message guiding us through the cold, a modern dubwise legacy that never will grow spiritual spark.